Hey guys, this is Inca 4x4. Thank you so much for being here. Make sure to go to our website, IncaOverlandOutfitters.com, where you can find all these products from rooftop tents, awnings, cooking, fridges, all that stuff. So we're going to do a deep dive into my 1996 Land Rover Defender. It's imported from South Africa, and we have the ALU-CAB camper conversion. So stay tuned. You're not going to want to miss this, and thank you so much for being here. All right, so let's walk around this vehicle. Again, this is a 300 TDI diesel Land Rover Defender, right-hand drive from South Africa. It says 400,000 some kilometers, but the engine's definitely been refreshed. We have we'll start in the front. We have the Warren XR bumper or winch. We got these Morimoto big bangers that I need to finish wiring up, but the cool thing about these is they have a backlit option, and then the actual lighting is really good on the road, especially on the trails. We have some one bangers on the front just for little ditch lights, and those also help just see on the corners. There's no modifications to the engine besides this one has an aftermarket air conditioning system. And then we have for tires and wheels, this is just stock, a 16-inch rim Land Rover. And these are KM3s, BF Goodrich. They are 265, so it's not really a big wheel. But with these kind of vehicles, you don't want to go too crazy on the modification. It's a very old vehicle, so I just did the normal tire, but just in a mud tire. We have in here just basically aftermarket air conditioner. I'm working on some lighting and some switches, but cassette player, which is really cool. And yeah, the ALU-CAB camper conversion, if you guys are interested, we can do these for Land Cruisers and for Land Rovers. The cool thing about this one, the Land Rover doesn't come with a little cubby overhead, so that's really good storage. And then we have this little opening here, the skull wing, so we can easily access the inside, and we'll peek around the inside the camper in just a second, just to see how I have it set up. We have awnings from Taruka, Free Spirit, 230, Boon Detect. So any awning that you're in the market for, make sure to go to our website. This one is from Free Spirit Recreation, and it's a lighter weight awning. But the cool thing is it has a little pole that extends so the water runs really nice. And then last night we were here camping with John from Morimoto, and yeah, we're just hanging out by the fire. We made some food. This Timbo Tusk, I love cooking on Timbo Tusk because it's super easy to clean up, and you can make all sorts of meals. We also like using the Cook Partner stoves. These are really nice. And yeah, we just have a little drop-down table. I use a Dometic water faucet here. It just connects to some the water there, and then we have 10 gallons of water. We have If you're interested in any kind of battery system, we have REDARC products on our website. We have the inverters, the DC to DC chargers, all of that. This is an IceCo fridge. We have it on a slide. It this one's a 45. It's a Pro, the VL Pro, and it's been really stuck on. Well, yeah, it's just stuck on something. A lot of space in there. We just have some organization for our cooking stuff, and then yeah, the cool thing about this camper conversion is you have little table up here I can work off. I made this other little table here I can work off, and then yeah, the cool thing is you could stand up in your vehicle and change if you need to. But I'll show you. This is a sleeping area, and I comfortably fit 2 people. I've slept up here with my wife and my little girl, and yeah, tons of room in here. And we'll just go over to the side so I can show you kind of our bathroom setup. The bathroom, pretty much this all works really well with the Inca trail bag that's on our website. A lot of the products, like the collapsible toilet, the fire pit, fit inside there. And this is the Julka double shower room, which we have on our website. Has a shower room and also a dry room. And yeah, this all works really well with our setup here. It's really fast to deploy. On the Alucab, we have just a 100-watt solar panel up there, and so the batteries charge while I'm driving. We have 100 amp hours battery in the vehicle, and it's isolated, so you don't have to worry about draining your main battery. And then the solar also tops it off. So yeah, if you guys have any questions about the Land Rover or any products, feel free to go to our website, IncaOverlandOutfitters.com. We have a whole bunch of great products there from trusted brands, and you can reach us out, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. More than glad to help out, answer any kind of questions you have. So thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you on the next one.